Vaginal discharge is something that many people experience every single day, and typically it's something that's often ignored and just not talked about, but that doesn't mean you're not curious, and the truth of the matter is, from the color to the scent, vaginal discharge can actually tell you a lot about your health. Let's break it down. Vaginal discharge serves many purposes. To keep your vagina in proper working order, vaginal discharge is a clear or whitish fluid that's made in the uterus, cervix or vagina. The discharge naturally helps to keep the area clean by removing dead skin cells from the lining of the vagina. But did you know there's a range of consistencies and colors that's considered healthy, and some that could merit a trip to your gynecologist? Vaginal discharge can also change depending on where you are in your menstrual cycle, like before or after your period or during ovulation. So here are some things to pay attention to that may indicate an issue requiring a visit to your doctor. If you experience white discharge that is thick like cottage cheese, along with itching and a burning feeling when you urinate, that could indicate you have a yeast infection. Fun fact: people who are prone to yeast infections could benefit from cutting back on eating foods high in sugar. That's because foods high in sugar can actually change the chemical balance in your vagina, allowing for an overproduction of yeast to form. Next, if you see an off-white or greyish discharge, that could indicate you have a common infection called bacterial vaginosis. This common vaginal infection happens when normal bacteria that lives in the vagina overgrows, causing a bacterial imbalance. This infection not only causes an increase in vaginal discharge, but the infection can also cause a fishy odor. Next, a greenish yellow or grey discharge may indicate a sexually transmitted infection called trichomoniasis, which may also cause an unusual fishy scent down there that you don't want to ignore. So be sure to contact your doctor to investigate more. The overall truth of the matter is, discharge can vary from woman to woman. It can even change throughout different stages of your life. That's why it's essential to always pay attention to your own body. And just remember, you are your body's best advocate. So if something doesn't look right or smell right, the best thing you can do is talk with your doctor.